deep. Hi, my name is Voya and welcome to my deep guide. Today I have something new for you guys and it's pretty cool. It's the Onyx Boox Poke 2. I'm really excited to actually unbox this guy and start testing it out and doing all that kind of stuff. So for now, let's unbox it, see what we get in the package and what are the first impressions. Alright, here it is, and it's a lovely small package. It's such a surprise to actually see it when it actually arrives, because it's much smaller than I expected. So this is the Poke 2, and this is the Poke 2 cover that I also ordered. So first things first, let's unwrap this guy and see what we get inside. Alright, and it opens up from the bottom here, so we just flip it up and let's see. Whoosh! Hey! It's upside down. But it's so, oh, cool. So this is the device. Let's get it out of the wrapping. Oh, nice. And it's so pretty. Oh my god, it's so pretty. And the back is even better quality than Nova 2. Wow, okay. This is pretty cool. Alright, so that's the device. What else do we get in the box? So micro USB actually on this one. That's weird choice. I don't get it why it's not a USB-C, but alright, micro. Inside we get a warranty card and a quick start guide. So that's the contents of the box. You get the device, you get a micro USB cable, and you get a quick start and a warranty card. Now let's check out the device itself. It's incredibly light, super thin. The glass is not that reflective at all. It has a very nice feel to it. There's a minimal distance between the surface of the reading surface, so the shadow is not going to be too large. But my god, does this thing feel good. I wish the edges were a little bit thinner on the bezel though. That's the only, the bevel. I think that's the only thing that I wish design-wise would have been. So just slightly thinner edges, that it's a little bit small, but then I guess other things would be affected, like the battery and everything else. But the combination of black and this lovely gray and just the contrast books on it, I love that. Especially because then it just continues onto the side and on the back as well. Slightly curved back, and all we have is the power button on top, micro USB, and I guess a microphone on the bottom, and that's pretty much it. It feels really cool, and like all of the latest Onyx Boox products, it's super high quality. It just oozes high quality. So let's power it up and see what we get. Compact and mightier, indeed, because this is a very powerful tool. Even though it's so small, it has a ton of power in it. Right, so let's pick English. Yes. Now we have similar type of an overview. I like the fact that they've actually moved the stuff down here, and since it doesn't have a stylus, then you don't have the note option. So that's pretty cool. I think this is not updated to 2.3 yet. Yeah, it's 2.2. Alright, so for the full review, I'm definitely gonna be updating this to 2.3 and then checking out how everything works, because right now I can't minimize it. But first impressions, I'm really impressed by this, and I love how it looks. I love how it feels in the hand, and the design, this decision of black and this lovely gray and the contrast on the sides and all of that, so good looking. And the back plastic, it's like the Nova 2 but even nicer, so it's like almost the rubberized type of plastic. I love this. Now let's unbox the cover and check out the cover and put it all in and see how the whole package looks like. Right. and it is a flip book cover. Same lovely quality and a super shiny logo. I don't know if it picks up on the camera or not because it's very sunny, but the book's logo is so cool. And it's the exact same awesome cover and build quality and everything else like the one for the Nova 2. So I guess we peel this off, and this would be a magnet, I guess, that will snap on. All right, so we peel this off, stick our device on, and then we see what it looks like. Let's try it out and see. Okay, and the second one. And now let's align this properly so that it looks good. So let's try and get this aligned correctly. Yes, this looks good. A little bit down, and the edge around here. All right. So we press and we flip. And do we... Okay, and we take this off as well. Oh, that's just a rubbery kind of thing. Okay, so it's not a magnet, and waiting for the seagulls to finish their song. All right, the seagull is going away. So that's the package. There's no magnets. This is actually just slightly sticky, so it just sticks there and then it keeps your device covered. I think it's a lovely little package. I'm not a fan of the sticky thing because it's just, I think I'm just gonna return the plastic on top so that it doesn't, well, it becomes less sticky, but really not the unideal solution. I love the fact that it can flip normally back. Let's see. Okay, seems to be fairly sturdy. So it doesn't look like it's gonna unstick from the whole thing. I think that this really works. I'm not so sure about the cover, especially this, and in fact I'm gonna immediately put the plastic back on because that's not something I'm gonna be using. There, and now I can open it. Yeah, much better. Alright, so yeah, you can have it stick if you want, but for me, no, that's not for me. Plus I don't want it to leave marks, as it already started leaving marks on this lovely thing. But I can't wait to actually populate it and start reading and start using it to see how it works, because the format is awesome. And as far as the flip book cover goes, unlike the Nova 2, it can properly flip back. So there's no resistance or anything like that. It has the distance that you would expect. So my first impressions are, I think it's super cute, and I can't wait to start using it because it looks beautiful. And I'm a huge sucker for this black and gray contrast, and the build quality. It's just so pretty. I can't wait to start using it. I'm starting to realize that I'm a fan of a smaller format, because Nova 2 really won me over, and this thing is just so cute, it's incredible. So I can't wait to start using it and to see how it actually fares in real life, because it packs a lot of power in such a small package. So that's going to be interesting to see how it fares as a reader device. My first impressions are, as I said, outstanding build quality. I love the design. If this is an indication of a direction where Onyx Boox as a company are going design-wise, I can't wait to see the new products, because this thing is so cute, so sexy, and so awesome. I really love it. It's just the aesthetics and the build quality and how it all feels in the hand. It's very good. I'll be testing that out, and next week there's going to be an in-depth review of the Onyx Boox Poke 2 coming out. Thanks so much for watching and for the support. If you like the video, please like and subscribe, and consider ticking off the Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter thingies, because it really does help. Also, remember to check out the mydeepguy.com website, because I'm going to be now dumping a lot of articles there about the reviews that I've been doing, some news and some other things, because as I mentioned, now that I have some more free time, I'm going to be using some of that free time in the mornings to actually write up articles, arrange that, and bring the whole My Deep Guide platform more to life. None of this would be possible without your guys' support, so I'm really thankful, and I hope that I can continue to bring more interesting content to you guys. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and see you in the next video. Bye!